The MSc People Analytics and Human-Centric Management is designed to equip students with advanced skills and knowledge on people analytics, human resources, and future leadership.
Our program is designed to equip future leaders with the people management skills and data analytics expertise to tackle today's workforce challenges. We aim to prepare students to lead with a people-first approach.
Unlike many other programs that deal in people analytics, where they rely strictly on the data, this MSc integrates people analytics and human-centric management principles, thereby offering a more balanced approach that values people as much as it does metrics.
Our program is built on real-world relevance. We have engaged various practitioners to make it relevant to the people challenges faced by modern organizations.
There are so many things I learned from when I was studying School of Management, but obviously like the course content itself, how generally the business work, but more importantly, when you're working with your colleagues, with stakeholders, you're interacting with people. So while it's being placed in such a diverse cohort, you gradually just learn how to interact with people from different parts of the world. So I think it's really helpful for building rapport with colleagues in the future.
Graduates of the program will be poised to step into a variety of impactful roles. For example, they can become people analysts or HR data scientists, HR analytics managers, or change management specialists. These roles highlight the program's unique blend of analytical skills and people leadership insights.
Today's most successful managers and leaders are able to lead, inspire, and empower people who represent a wide array of backgrounds. In our course on managing diversity, we highlight the importance of empirical data and analytics to better understand diversity science. And we discuss vivid case studies to be able to go out there and foster more equitable and inclusive workplaces.
Our expertise is absolutely world-leading across the areas of social network interactions in the workplace, the diversity of different types of people, and a focus on creativity and innovation, which is so crucial for the furtherance of people's careers.
So the curriculum has been designed to address the changing nature of work, and it enables our students to build those essential, key, marketable skills that enable them to navigate an increasingly data-driven workplace while keeping a human focus.
I would definitely recommend School of Management because my cohort was really diverse, everyone was really collaborative, and the teaching staff, they were super friendly and supportive. They're subject experts, so I feel like I always come up from lectures knowing more than I could have acquired otherwise. And the networking opportunities were amazing as well, because I feel like I came out from them knowing how to actually speak with strangers, which is really helpful in work. But at the same time, I just know what kind of prospects I would get as a graduate as well. So overall, the experience was amazing, and I would definitely recommend School of Management.
Our program is open for everyone who seeks to build career in people analytics, human resources, and management roles. If you're ready to lead with insight and shape the future of work, this program is your next step.